Okay, so welcome to this video. This is one I've been really excited about. We got the new Black Jack from Titan RV and it's the Maxi. So this is a new model out, the Maxi, and we're going to install it
today.
Soon. Yeah. This one's remote control.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got more lifting power, which we'll go through all the specs later, but it's got lifting power. Yeah, it's got everything. Look. Remote control.
Look at that.
Okay, so this is the biggest one they've got, and it's got more lifting power and a whole bunch of features.
So our friends at Titan RV have kindly given us the new one to try. We had one on our last caravan, which they also gifted us.
And we love that one.
We did. We did. So now we've got the new caravan. This new model came out, and they said, "Hey, let's put the new model on your caravan." So
I can't wait to get on there because that winding the caravan up and down is a pain in the backside, especially when you've got a crook back.
Yeah.
This just makes it so much easier.
So let's go and install it.
Yep, let's go.
Okay. So before we film the installation...
Let's see what's in the box.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, straight away I can see they've upped their game with their wiring.
Oh, really? What do you mean by that?
Well, they've put a that plastic, I don't know what they call it, just to protect your wires.
Like a conduit type thing? And
now it's all Anderson plug, so it's all plug and play.
Okay, wasn't like that last time?
No, no. Still get the Black Jack foot. And you get your little bag for it as well. Okay. And best thing, you get stubby coolers.
Which is good because our last one's dirty and horrible, so we've got new ones.
Okay. You get your bolts.
They're big ass bolts.
They are.
Wow.
All right.
Yep.
And you get your locating brackets.
What are they? Sorry?
So they're your brackets that you put on your chassis. So you can just, all different size chassis.
Okay.
Okay. Then your Black Jack goes through there, obviously, and the back plate there. So the back plate goes on there, and it goes on your chassis.
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
And this foot here, you can have that on there, and as you fold the Black Jack up, it actually retracts, and it just comes out automatically. Okay. Then you've got, what else have we got in here? Instructions. And this is a unit. Yeah. Okay, so you get two remote controls with it.
Cool, one each.
Yeah, one for you, one for me. And one thing I do like about the Black Jacks is this handle here. I'll show you, hang on. So if it ever stops working, let me get it out of the bag. So if you come back and your battery's flat in your caravan or something, anyway, I'll show you when I install it. So that handle there goes in the top, or in this case it goes somewhere, I don't know on this model, but our last one it went in the top, and you can just use it as a normal wind up and down it. Yeah, just in case of emergency, in case you said your battery goes flat or something.
Okay, so that's everything in the box.
That's everything. That's it.
All right.
Okay, let's go and install it. Okay, so we're just going to continue the video from where we opened the box the other day. So not like the last Black Jack we had, this one actually is all pre-wired. So all we've got to do is just, because it's plug and play, that goes to your plus side and that goes to your minus. So black, minus, red, plus. And they've got a built-in fuse now, it's a blade fuse. And it's all in conduit now, it's a lot better. And it goes to a, what do you call those things?
Anderson plug?
Anderson plug, that's them, yeah. So this is the brackets you get. You get a bracket like that. Okay, so obviously the holes are for different size chassis. Then you get the big plate.
That looks heavy.
They are so well made and they are quite heavy. Okay, probably the hardest bit is to decide where you want it. And I'm going to have mine. I'm eventually, I think, going to change that out, but I've got to drill new holes to put it in there. So I'm just going to put my one right there like that. It's out the way. And then we can always put our Starlink pole in that one like we used to. So you get 4 of those bolts. You got a nylon nut on it again, so you don't need a spring washer. Oh, you can't see it, but it's in there, and that should never come undone once that's done up. All right. This couldn't be easier. It's so easy now.
Oh, you don't drill a hole?
No, that's what those. Oh, hang on up here. That's what those holes have done. See, all for different size chassis. See how? I don't know. That's a 6 or 8 inch chassis.
No, hang on. I just thought you had to put that plate on the chassis.
No. So that will go straight through there.
Oh, right.
And then you put the nut through there and bolt it up together. It goes straight there like that. It couldn't be easier. And our chassis is the biggest chassis, obviously, so it just fits. Okay, like that. Then you get a flat washer. Get your flat washer on there, and your nut on there like that. I'm going to have to use spanners to do that because having a nylon nut, you can't do it by hand. Again, a flat washer onto there. Okay. And again, so you got your flat washer for this side and for the other side. Okay, so we'll put that through. Flat washer, a nylon nut. And now you just got to tighten it up, really. Really tighten it up and run the wires. We'll show you how to do it all, but that's pretty much it. Just make sure though, it clears everything down here. So it's got to clear your handbrake cable, and all your wires. So there's plenty of room there, nice and free. Okay. There's nothing behind here, like over here I've got these plastic pipes and stuff. You don't want to squash those at all.
What are they for?
That's for the water tap.
Oh.
Okay, there's nothing there. That's actually the perfect spot because it's almost smack bang in the middle. So when you've got the nylon nuts, they're always really hard. Okay, don't go crazy on that one because if you go too tight on that one, you won't have enough room on the bottom one. The reason why you don't go crazy with it, because if you squash this bit up the top, you'll pull in at the top and then you won't be able to pull the bottom brackets in. Do you know what I mean?
Yep.
So you've got to do it all together.
Okay.
So that one, and that one, or, you know, until they pull in.
These have got a 3-year warranty as well.
Okay.
Yeah. And they're suitable for trailers up to 5,000 kilos. So it's all right.
So even when you do these, you should recheck these in a couple of thousand Ks or a couple hundred Ks just to make sure they haven't come loose.
What, your nuts?
Your nuts. These nuts. As I said, you shouldn't have to because they're nylon nuts, but you're better off to.
It's got a maximum of a 660 millimetre lift, and it says it will lift the caravan clear off the tow vehicle in any condition.
So you'll have to take this leg out because it won't fit through that hole. Then you have all these height adjustments as well to put the pin in, so you can have it all different lengths to suit your setup. Okay. Then you just slot it in there. And because there's all these different locating holes on here, you can actually face it whichever way you want to face it. So which way are we going to face it?
I like that way.
So when we're at the front of
Yeah.
the van, we can just flick the switches like that, or do you want to stand at the side and flick the switches? Because that's the light and that will shine down.
I like it like that.
You like it like that?
Yeah. Look, it's even got a levelling thingy. So the van's not exactly level.
Okay, so while you're there, before I forget like I did last time, it comes with a handle. Just undo that. In case for some reason, I don't know, if in case some reason your battery's flat or something and you need to wind it up and then you're not stuck. You stick this handle in there, okay, and then you just crank on it. I'm not going to do it now, but you crank on it. And then you put that back in. And then as I said, just line it up wherever you want, then you get more bolts down here. So you also get these, and they're for another leg, which I'll show you what the other leg's about in a minute. Okay, so you get three bolts,
Yeah.
and 3 nuts. So just wherever you want to place your bolts. Okay, wherever you want to put them. Now really I should get a socket onto this. It probably would be quicker. And you certainly get a lot of it, which is good. So come around here. So I've got to put those on the batteries. The batteries are there. I've got to find the keys for them. Normally I'd put, because it's dual battery system, I'd put one on one battery, like the plus on one battery, and the minus on the other battery. But it looks like I'm going to have to go, which I don't want to do.
Why do you do that?
Because they're running parallel. I think it's better to take one from, like, the way the battery's hooked up, they'll take the plus from one side and the minus from the other side, and they've got like a joiner bar in the middle. So it's better to do that than that to that. I don't know why. I think that's just the way. I'm not a Sparky.
However, there's a battery in each box, so you can't
battery in
do
each
that.
box. Well, the last one I found on Earth somewhere else, but I'll, anyway, let me get the key.
That's right, you did too.
Oh, look at that. 60-month warranty on the batteries. It's pretty cool. So I'm just about to hook it up, but what I'm going to do is I'm removing the fuse. Okay?
Why?
Just so nothing short circuits. That doesn't, when that's hooked up, that doesn't touch. Just so it just doesn't short circuit.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I'm asking because a lot of people are out there probably asking.
So it cuts the power now, so there's no power from that wire to that wire.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So it doesn't matter if that touches something and that touches something, and it won't short. It won't spark or anything like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, that's plus and that's minus. That's right, that's good. That's minus and that's plus. Red is plus, black is minus. So it was really tight getting that in there, believe it or not. Okay, so your plus is on that side, minus on that side, so that's a black wire. Don't worry about that red bit there. That should be black as well, but that's black. And this is red going on this side, and it's going to the positive. That's why it's important to take that thing off.
The fuse off.
Okay, so we've got it in up there. I don't know if you can see up there. We've got that in there. We'll put the plastic little cover over. Okay. Now this is a fuse holder. Okay. So we're going to put the fuse in. Okay. Now, so what we do now, before we put anything together, you always check, because no good putting everything back together, and you do it. So, but first we'll double check. Okay. I always like to check. So red wire. Probably too late because we put the fuse in. Red wire is going to red.
Yep.
Black wire is going to black, and that's a positive on the other side. Okay.
Yep.
So we've got to run this wire and tidy this wire up, but what we're going to do for now, we're just going to plug it in to see if it works. Okay, let's see if the light works. Look, that we have power. Okay.
Okay.
So you want to put the foot in?
Yeah. It's here.
Foot and split pin. Just put that in up there like that. You find that hole. And you stick it like that. Okay. Now we've got the blackjack foot that we normally put under here, but it's in the tunnel boot. And I'm not going to get that out for now. We'll just drag all this down. Okay.
The block.
The block. So I've got that packed away in the over the other side.
But
I'm not going to get that out.
The disc.
Yeah.
So if you're on like soft grass or anything, you put your disc down. Going the wrong way.
It's a bit slow because normally I have the chock under there, the big chock. I'm going to leave that like that for now. I'm going to tidy the wiring up. Everyone doesn't need to see me run some cable ties and all that sort of crap. And then we'll back the car up because the blackjack is going to hit the jockey wheel. So we need to hook the car up to take the jockey wheel off. And then guess what? Then we can chuck the jockey wheel. And how easy was that? So I reckon 20 minutes tops. Done. Thanks Titan RV. You're great. Anyway, but I'll be back to show you the rest of it anyway, so don't go away. That's what everyone needs.
Ah, that's what you want, your Black Jack
Trailerjack block. Yep. And also, show them the one-step chocks. They're a must.
Okay.
We're here, we're doing the video. May as well show them those as well. They're a must.
Ours have been through everything there. But
they're like 2 years old now.
Yeah.
They've been up the beach. They've been everywhere.
They definitely don't look new anymore, do they? But
We've been using them for 2 years and they've been faultless.
Yep.
But new ones I think are black, the new ones that they've just released.
Okay.
Anyway, let's show you this how this works.
Touchdown.
Say goodbye to the jockey wheel. I'm not going to throw it because now my luck it'll bounce back and hit the car. That's what always normally happens.
But this is this. So now our Starlink pole will go in there.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. That's so sturdy. It ain't going anywhere. Little bubble in the top. Thanks Titan RV. You guys are legends and you're great to deal with.
Yep.
Who do we speak to at Titan RV?
Ashley.
Ashley. You're a legend.
Thanks, mate.
Really appreciate your support. I'm not going to put it on, but you get this leg. So when you take this off, this silver bit, okay, it's quite easy to do it. You put that up there and you pin it all together like that, exactly the way I showed you.
And it automatically folds up.
And as it comes up, it folds up like that, and when it comes down, it just automatically relocates.
Yeah.
I like it that way better because it's not hanging down at all. It's flush with the Caravan.
Yeah.
So, but you can use whichever. But yeah. And just quickly, one last thing I forgot. You get a little cover for it, so it's out of the weather. Even though they're waterproof, dustproof, and all that stuff, just to keep it nice so the sun doesn't fade it.
Yeah. Rain.
Yeah, and you go. All done. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do yourself a favour and just go and buy them. All of it.
We'll put the link in the description
below. Yeah.